Hey guys, it's Ronnie with Cornerstone. We are a whole home service provider offering AC, plumbing, and electrical services. And in today's video, we're going to talk about preventative maintenance with your AC system. Let's get into it. Many of us take our air conditioning for granted, but we often forget it's a complex system with many components that require regular care and attention to function properly. Regular preventative maintenance can help ensure that your AC system is working efficiently, which can save you money on your energy bills, help prevent costly breakdowns. Here are some of the key benefits for preventative maintenance. Improved efficiency. Regular maintenance can help keep your AC system running efficiently by ensuring all the components are clean and functioning properly. This can help reduce your energy bills and prevent unnecessary wear and tear on your system. Extended lifespan. By keeping your AC system well maintained, you can help extend its lifespan and prevent costly repairs or replacements down the line. Improved air quality. A well-maintained AC system can help improve the air quality in your home by reducing the amount of dust and allergens that circulate within the air. So, how often should you have your preventative maintenance performed on your AC? In general, it's recommended to have a maintenance performed at least once a year. However, if your AC system is older or if you use it more frequently, you may want to have the AC maintenance performed more often, such as every 6 months. Now let's talk about what a Florida-based AC company would typically check during a maintenance visit. Here are some of the most common things that a technician will inspect and maintain. The thermostat. The technician will check over the thermostat settings to ensure that they are calibrated correctly and working properly. Electrical components. The technician will inspect all electrical connections and components of the AC system, including wiring, relays, capacitors, and contactors. They will also tighten any loose connections or replace any worn or damaged parts as necessary. Air filters. The technician will clean or replace the air filters to ensure proper airflow and prevent the AC system from working harder than necessary. The condensing and evaporator coils. The technician will perform a light cleaning on the condensing coil and will also inspect the indoor coil to see if a cleaning is recommended. An impacted coil can restrict the airflow, which would reduce the efficiency. Moving parts. The technician will inspect all the moving parts within the system to ensure that they are working smoothly and do not need replaced. Refrigerant levels. The technician will check the refrigerant levels and bring it to the homeowner's attention if there appears to be a refrigerant issue that needs to be addressed. Drain lines. The technician will check the drain lines to ensure they are clear and free from any blockages, which can cause water damage or mold growth. In conclusion, preventative maintenance is an essential part of keeping your AC system running smoothly and efficiently. By having regular maintenance performed by a qualified technician, you can help extend the lifespan of your AC system, improve its efficiency, and prevent costly breakdowns. So don't wait until it's too late. Schedule your preventative AC maintenance appointment today. Thank you for listening. All right, guys, that's it for today. If you got anything good out of this video, please like and subscribe. And if there's anything that we can help you with or any questions, please reach out to us at our main number at 813-949-4445 or reach out on our website at cornerstonepros.com. See you guys in the next video and stay cool.